Welcome to Xciting Machines. Get ready to witness the raw power of heavy-duty factory machines and the most satisfying factory production processes ever. From massive hydraulic presses shaping solid steel to ultra-precise robotic arms assembling products with incredible accuracy, this video will take you inside the world of cutting-edge industrial technology. Watch as giant machines work seamlessly to create everyday products with speed and perfection. Whether it's metal forging, automated packaging, or high-speed assembly lines, prepare to be amazed by the sheer efficiency and power of modern manufacturing. Number 1. Formech. Formech is a renowned manufacturer of vacuum forming machines, widely used across various industries such as packaging, automotive, medical, and prototyping. Vacuum forming is a process in which a heated plastic sheet is stretched over a mold and shaped using a vacuum to create lightweight yet durable plastic components. Formech offers a diverse range of vacuum forming machines, from small desktop models suitable for educational purposes and small-scale production to large industrial systems designed for high-volume manufacturing. Their machines are known for their precision, user-friendly interfaces, and advanced heating technology, making them popular among designers, engineers, and manufacturers. One of the main advantages of Formech's vacuum forming machines is their ability to produce high-quality plastic components at a lower cost compared to injection molding, making them an excellent choice for custom prototyping and short-run production. Their versatility extends to industries such as aerospace, medical device manufacturing, and product packaging, where precise and efficient plastic molding is essential. In addition, Formech machines are widely used in film and theater production for creating intricate props, set designs, and special effects. The company continually innovates its technology, integrating features like digital controls, programmable settings, and automated processes to enhance efficiency and usability. With a strong reputation for quality and reliability, Formech remains a preferred choice for businesses and professionals seeking advanced vacuum forming solutions. Number 2. Xciting braiding machine. A textile interlacing or braiding machine is an advanced piece of equipment used in the textile industry to produce braided fabrics, ropes, laces, and reinforced composite materials. These machines work by intertwining multiple strands of yarn, fiber, or wire in a precise and controlled manner to create strong, flexible, and durable braided structures. Braiding machines are commonly used in industries such as aerospace, medical, automotive, and fashion, where high-strength textiles are required for applications like surgical sutures, reinforced hoses, electrical cables, and decorative trims. Traditional braiding machines operate using bobbins or carriers that move in a synchronized pattern, ensuring consistent tension and uniformity in the final product. Modern braiding machines are equipped with computerized controls, automated tension adjustment, and high-speed capabilities, allowing for greater precision, efficiency, and customization in braid designs. Depending on the application, different types of braiding techniques, such as flat braiding, tubular braiding, and circular braiding, can be used to achieve specific properties and structures. These machines can process a wide range of materials, including natural fibers like cotton and silk, synthetic materials like nylon and polyester, and even metal wires for industrial reinforcement. With continuous advancements in textile machinery, braiding machines play a crucial role in producing high-performance fabrics and engineered materials for various technical and commercial applications. Number 3. Hot wound spring. A hot wound spring is a type of heavy-duty coil spring manufactured using a high-temperature forming process to achieve superior strength, durability, and resistance to extreme forces. Unlike cold wound springs, which are formed at room temperature, hot wound springs are produced by heating the metal wire to temperatures ranging from 900 degrees Celsius to 1,100 degrees Celsius, 1,650 degrees Fahrenheit to 2,000 degrees Fahrenheit, before being coiled into shape. This high-temperature process allows for better material flexibility, reducing internal stress and increasing the spring's load-bearing capacity. Hot wound springs are commonly made from alloy steels, such as chrome silicon or chrome vanadium, which offer excellent fatigue resistance and toughness. These springs are widely used in industries that require high-strength components, including automotive, aerospace, heavy machinery, and railway applications. They are commonly found in suspension systems, industrial presses, and shock absorption mechanisms, where they must endure repeated heavy loads and harsh environmental conditions. The manufacturing process of hot wound springs involves multiple steps, including heating, coiling, quenching, tempering, and shot peening to enhance durability and performance. After forming, they undergo rigorous testing to ensure consistency in strength and elasticity. The ability of hot wound springs to maintain their mechanical properties under extreme stress makes them essential in applications where safety and reliability are critical, ensuring long-lasting performance in demanding environments. Number 4. MTI Friction Welding. MTI Manufacturing Technology Incorporated is a leading provider of friction welding solutions, a solid-state joining process that uses heat generated by friction to bond materials without melting them. MTI friction welding is widely used in industries such as aerospace, automotive, energy, and defense, where high-strength, defect-free welds are essential. The process involves rotating, oscillating, or moving one component against another under controlled pressure to generate heat at the interface. Once the materials reach a plasticized state, they are forged together, creating a strong, metallurgically bonded joint. Unlike traditional welding methods, MTI friction welding eliminates the need for filler materials, flux, or shielding gases, resulting in cleaner, more efficient welds with minimal material waste. MTI offers various types of friction welding, including rotary, linear, and inertia welding, each suited for different applications and material combinations. Their technology is used to join dissimilar metals, such as aluminum to steel or titanium to nickel alloys, making it ideal for critical components like aircraft engine parts, automotive drive shafts, and oil drilling equipment. The process ensures consistent weld quality, high repeatability, and reduced production costs compared to conventional fusion welding techniques. With continuous innovation in friction welding systems, MTI remains at the forefront of advanced manufacturing, providing high-performance welding solutions for industries requiring precision, durability, and efficiency. Number 5. Baileigh Industrial Ltd. Baileigh Industrial Limited is a leading manufacturer of high-quality metalworking and woodworking machinery, catering to industries such as fabrication, automotive, aerospace, and construction. Founded in 1999, Baileigh has built a strong reputation for producing durable and precision-engineered equipment, including lathes, mills, drills, saws, press brakes, and welding positioners. Their machines are designed to enhance productivity, efficiency, and accuracy for professionals and businesses engaged in metal fabrication and woodworking. Baileigh Industrial is known for its innovative approach, incorporating advanced technology into its machinery to improve performance and ease of use. Their product line includes CNC-controlled machines for high-precision operations, as well as manual and hydraulic models suited for a wide range of applications. In metalworking, their tube and pipe benders, bead rollers, and sheet metal brakes are particularly popular for manufacturing custom metal components. In woodworking, they offer bandsaws, dust collection systems, and routers, widely used by furniture makers and carpenters. With a commitment to customer satisfaction, Baileigh provides exceptional technical support, training, and after-sales service to ensure users maximize the efficiency of their equipment. Their machines are trusted by workshops, production facilities, and educational institutions worldwide. As a global leader in industrial machinery, Baileigh Industrial Limited continues to push the boundaries of manufacturing technology, delivering reliable solutions for both small businesses and large-scale industrial operations. Thanks for watching Xciting Machines. We hope you enjoyed witnessing the sheer power of heavy-duty factory machines and the most satisfying factory production processes in action. From precise robotic arms to high-speed assembly lines, these incredible machines are shaping the future of manufacturing. If you found this video fascinating, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss our latest uploads. Let us know in the comments which machine impressed you the most. We're always bringing you the most mind-blowing engineering feats and cutting-edge technology. Stay tuned for more incredible content, and until next time, keep exploring the world of powerful machines. Thanks again for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.